Hi, I'm at the Mukilteo ferry terminal. The ferry just arrived here from the other side, and then look like the car is about to get off. They're gonna put the gangway across for the passenger getting off right now. So, and here's the ferry terminal for passengers only, and then over there is the ticket counters, and then outside is where the cars waiting. So there's a lot of cars waiting out here. Wait for the car getting off, and then they will get on. So welcome to the ferry, the Mukilteo ferry. So we're gonna get on in a few minutes after everybody getting off. Really fun ride. So Washington, they have bicycles. See the cars getting off right now. See the cars getting off right now. So wait for the car getting off, and then we're getting on. See the cars getting off. A lot of cars. So nice ride today. A little windy today, but a lot of people getting off right now. See, after the passenger getting off, and then see, that's for the I get off on the outside, and then we get a ticket. We're getting on. A lot of people here. So Washington, they have the biggest ferry system in the world. So this is called the Mukilteo to Clinton ferry. So the people are getting off. Not many passengers here. So they getting on. This where you buy the tickets. Round trip $5.55. $5.55. What you do? You put your ticket in here or what? Are we putting ticket in here? Are you going or no? Sir, you put the ticket here? Like this?
Just scan it here, but they're
Oh. Or they tell you want to? So this you gotta scan the tickets in. It's really fun. So they have every hour, so they have here's the schedule here. So every 30 minutes, so they have a ferry to Clinton every 30 minutes. So they go until like midnight. So it's the schedule. A lot of cars, not many people. So there is all the sailing boats. Or they probably try to get the people getting off. There's some people they haven't get off yet. So That's another car. The traffic quickly get off. See the cars getting off. And the cars ready to get on. Another cars getting off. So they have trucks, all kind of truck, big truck, even sizes. So welcome to the ferry. We're ready to get on right now. So, got a Coca-Cola truck also getting off.